How to fix DeepSeek AI app verification not receiving. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check the server status of DeepSeek. For that, launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in status DeepSeek and then search for it. Now navigate to the very first one website option, status.deepseek.com. Now from here you can check whether there are some outages in the DeepSeek or not. If there is an issue, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. Next up, what you have to do is check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings, enable for the option of airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. Likewise, click on the option of Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rezone it. Next up, what you can do is use the login with Google option. While you're in the sign up page, you can use these options, sign in with Google or Apple. Using these options, you won't need to enter the code. Likewise, if you're not receiving the verification code in your current mail, try registering with a different email service, such as Yahoo Mail or any other mails. Due to recent large-scale malicious attacks, DeepSeek has temporarily limited new registrations to ensure service stability. This may affect the receipt of verification codes. So what you can do is wait for some time and then try later. Lastly, what you have to do is check your junk or spam in your mail. For that, launch your mail, click on three bars, then navigate to the section spam or junk. Check if the mail from DeepSeek has been stored in the spam or junk. By following these steps, you should be able to overcome the verification code issue and successfully access the DeepSeek AI. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.